That handshake though.
Show respect between these two superstars before they square off.
Square it off.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Michael Cole alongside Jerry the King Lawler here at Ringside. And King, tonight should be Lashley scores big. Oh, man, what a move by Lashley.
Yes, it's a reversal, yo.
Seems like these guys are letting out a lot of pent-up frustration tonight.
Definitely looking confident in this one.
Lashley scores big. Oh, man, what a move by Lashley.
Oh, man, what a move by Lashley.
Oh, man, cutting off circulation to the brain. You can pass out from a hold like that. What diabolical things are going through that mind right now? When you get in control like this, you want to throw everything and into the cover.
Man, fuck you. Stop saying what diabolical things are going through that mind right now. When you get control like this, you want to throw everything on your opponent, and that could be what we're seeing here. I don't want too fast.
Man, he's still
I don't want too fast.
I almost wonder if his bell got seriously wrong there.
Damn. No.
The inverted figure four, that should do it.
Fuck that inverted four before pin.
The shoulder. And it's up. He got the shoulder up.
4.
Nobody controls the
yes,
of the match.
That's that reversal.
This guy. Oh, this will bring everybody to their feet. Here's the cover. And he escapes with a kick out.
Stop saying and he escapes with the kick out.
And he kicks out again. Going all the way up. Oh, that's a long way up. Get some air here. I need some too after sitting next to you. He's too busy bragging and boasting than battling in this matchup. Look out. What's he going to do here? What's he going to do here? Oh, man, does he have that arm submission in tight? These guys giving this sold-out crowd exactly what they came to see. What an incredible match.
Yes, it's a reversal.
Oh, he's the guy who's opponent. What's he going for here?
Bro!
We're looking at complete domination here. Oh, man, is he fired up. He is slowly getting dissected. Oh, look at the emotion. Uh-oh, look at this. Shoulders down, is it enough? It may be. What a huge win.
Kendrick Lamar for the win. Right?
What an outstanding match. Both of these competitors gave it their all. I like this. A great show of respect here.
Kendrick Lamar pick up a hard-fought victory over Machine Gun Kelly.